2026 Toyota Airstream Basecamp, the ultimate compact travel trailer. The 2026 Toyota Airstream Basecamp is a game-changer in the world of compact travel trailers, blending Toyota's renowned engineering with Airstream's classic craftsmanship. Designed for adventure seekers, this camper provides the perfect balance between rugged capability and sleek, modern comfort, making life on the road as convenient as it is exciting. Aerodynamic and durable design. Built with an aerodynamic aluminum shell, the Basecamp is both lightweight and durable, ensuring easy towing by a variety of vehicles, including mid-size SUVs and trucks. Its exterior maintains Airstream's signature polished aluminum look, but incorporates Toyota-inspired design elements that enhance aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. Additionally, its sturdy construction is reinforced with thermal barrier protection, ensuring interior comfort in extreme conditions, whether you're camping in the heat of the desert or the chill of the mountains. Large panoramic windows provide breathtaking views, seamlessly connecting travelers with the great outdoors. Efficient and comfortable interior. Despite its compact size, every inch of the Basecamp's interior is thoughtfully designed for maximum efficiency and comfort. Convertible seating area transforms into a spacious sleeping space for two, allowing for an easy transition from day to night. Fully equipped galley features a 2-burner stove, stainless steel sink, and an optional microwave, providing the freedom to cook meals just like at home. Ample storage. Cleverly integrated compartments ensure that gear, food, and essentials remain organized without cluttering the living space. Convenient wet bath. Includes a shower and toilet with a retractable clothesline and roof vent, keeping the space fresh and dry. Stylish and durable materials. Designed to withstand frequent travel while maintaining a modern, inviting aesthetic. Superior performance and maneuverability. Unlike many travel trailers that are challenging to tow, the 2026 Toyota Airstream Basecamp is engineered for easy maneuverability and stability. Lightweight construction reduces strain on the towing vehicle. Torsion axle suspension with shock absorbers provides a smooth ride on various terrains, making it ideal for off-road adventures. Narrow adjust brakes improve stopping power, ensuring safety on highways and steep inclines. Powered hitch jack with integrated light simplifies the hitching process, even in low-light conditions. Off-grid capabilities. For those who prefer off-grid camping, the Basecamp is equipped with self-sufficient features. Optional solar charging system. Available in 200W or 300W configurations, reducing dependence on traditional power sources. 12V battery system. Powers essential appliances. LP gas grill connection. Enables outdoor cooking with ease. Cold climate protection. 12V tank heaters and a heated underbelly prevent plumbing systems from freezing. Water system. Includes a freshwater tank and a grey water tank, allowing for extended trips without frequent refilling or emptying. Unmatched versatility. The compact size of the Basecamp makes it highly versatile, offering ease of towing and setup for various travel scenarios. Fits standard campsites. Unlike larger RVs, it requires minimal space and can even be used for urban camping. Ideal for various destinations. Whether heading to a national park, remote beach, or music festival, it provides an excellent balance of mobility and comfort. All-weather capability. Designed for year-round travel, handling everything from summer heat to winter snow. Eco-friendly and sustainable design. Toyota and Airstream have prioritized sustainability in the Basecamp's design. Energy-efficient appliances and LED lighting reduce overall power consumption. Sustainable materials minimize environmental impact. Aerodynamic design enhances fuel efficiency for the towing vehicle while reducing wind resistance. Solar pre-wire system encourages the use of renewable energy. Superior build quality. The 2026 Toyota Airstream Basecamp reflects the high standards of both brands. meticulous attention to detail. Airstream's craftsmanship ensures durability and aesthetic appeal. Toyota's renowned reliability ensures longevity and minimal maintenance compared to traditional RVs. Premium components. From cabinetry to plumbing, every element is designed for long-lasting performance. Smart technology integration. For tech-savvy travelers, the Basecamp offers cutting-edge connectivity. Smart control panel monitors key systems such as battery levels, water tanks, and climate control. Smartphone connectivity allows remote system monitoring and adjustments. USB charging ports and 12V outlets, strategically placed to keep devices powered anywhere. Safety features for peace of mind. The Basecamp is designed with safety as a top priority. Sturdy frame and secure door locks provide security while parked. High-quality panoramic windows offer both visibility and protection. Screened doors and windows keep insects out while allowing fresh air circulation. Propane safety shutoffs and high-standard electrical components ensure secure operation. Heritage and innovation combined. One of the biggest advantages of choosing the 2026 Toyota Airstream Basecamp is the blend of heritage and innovation. Airstream's legacy. Nearly a century of expertise in crafting premium trailers. Toyota's engineering excellence ensures reliability, fuel efficiency, and user-friendly operation. Timeless yet modern design, perfectly suited for today's adventurous lifestyles. Whether you are a solo adventurer, a couple seeking weekend getaways, or a small family wanting to explore the outdoors, the 2026 Toyota Airstream Basecamp offers a hassle-free and comfortable travel experience. With its compact design, modern amenities, and all-terrain capabilities, this travel trailer is the ultimate companion for road trips, off-grid adventures, and year-round camping.